Most designers stop after creating a few good looking visuals. They create one posture, one carousel, one hero image, and then everything sits randomly inside different folders. But if you want your product work to look professional, you need to package everything properly. Because a strong content kit does one important thing. It makes your product easy to launch, easy to present, and easy to share. So in this final episode, we are going to bring everything together from entire series and package it into one clean visual content kit using Adobe Express. Before we get into the video, thank you to Adobe for sponsoring this series. Throughout this course, we have used Adobe Firefly to build the visual language around a product and Adobe Express to turn that visual direction into polished launch assets. And in this episode, we are going to connect everything into one final system that designers, freelancers, and startup teams can actually use for launches, case studies, social media, and client presentations. Let's quickly look at what we have built so far. In episode 1, we defined product personality for Flowpilot. We understood the tone, audience, mood, perception, and content direction. In episode 2, we used Adobe Firefly to explore the visual direction. We created mood boards, art direction, backgrounds, and supporting imagery. In episode 3, we created a reusable asset library. We generated backgrounds, textures, graphic elements, and visual assets that belong to the same product world. And in episode 4, we used Adobe Express to turn product screens into polished carousel. In episode 5, we extended the same visual system into launch posters, feature announcements, Instagram stories, LinkedIn promos, and website hero visuals. And now in episode 6, we are going to package everything into one final content kit. Not just folder of designs, a complete launch communication system. So why packaging matters? This step is important because most creative works fail at the packaging stage. The designs might be good, the visuals might be good, the product screen might be strong, but when everything is unorganized, inconsistent, and hard to reuse, the final presentation feels weak. Imagine a startup preparing for a launch. They need a hero visual for the website. They need a social media post. They need pitch deck visuals. They need product announcement graphics. They need portfolio style product storytelling. If every asset looks different, the launch feels scattered. But when everything is packaged as one system, the product immediately feels more premium, more intentional, and more trustworthy. That is the goal of this episode. So our final content kit will include 9 to 10 important sections. The first one is product brief. This is the foundation of product tone and direction. The second one is visual direction. This shows mood, colors, images, image styles, and overall art direction. Third is Firefly Asset Library. This includes all generated backgrounds, textures, illustrations, abstract visuals, and graphic elements. The fourth one is Carousel. This is useful for Instagram, LinkedIn, and portfolio storytelling. Fifth one is launch posters. These are high impact visual assets for announcements. And the sixth one is feature announcements. These help communicate product updates clearly. Seventh one is hero visuals. These can be used on landing pages, pitch decks, and case studies. Eighth one is social media formats. This includes Instagram story, LinkedIn post, square post, and vertical post formats. And the last one is the portfolio presentation layout. This helps designers present the project inside a case study. And the last one is the export folder. This makes a full kit ready to share, upload, and hand off to the rest of the team members. So the first step is to create a master kit structure. So inside Adobe Express and your stuff, I'll create a folder called Flowpilot. So the goal is simple, that anyone should be able to open this folder and understand the product story without asking for context. So instead of keeping files randomly named, like final poster, final poster, version 3 update or something like that, we are going to organize everything clearly. So I created these sections inside the Flowpilot. So I created these sections inside Flowpilot: product brief, visual direction, Firefly assets, launch posture, launch carousel, postures, feature announcements, website hero, social media export, and portfolio presentation. This sounds simple, but this is what makes your real work look professional. A designer who organizes their work well immediately feels more reliable. Now we will add product personality brief. This is not a visual asset, but it is important context document inside the kit. So for Flowpilot, our product personality brief can be summarized like this. Flowpilot is calm, smart, and productivity focused AI workspace for startup teams. The audience is founders, product managers, and early stage teams. The visual mode is clean, focused, slightly futuristic, but not overwhelming. The brand should feel app the brand should feel helpful, premium, organized, and easy to trust. So this brief helps anyone understand why the visual look the way they look. So when they are presenting this in a portfolio or to a client, this shows that your design decisions are not random but intentional. Next, we will add the visual direction board. This is where we bring the strongest visual generator from Adobe Firefly. But that's not the important part. Just placing the images is not the important part. So divide the board into simple categories: mode, colors, lighting, composition, image styles, and do's and don'ts. So for example, do not use soft gradients, clean shapes, focus layout, and minimal abstract elements. Don't use bold, loud colors. Don't use loud colors, random 3D objects, cartoonish illustrations, or visuals that make the product less serious. This board becomes the visual rulebook for the entire content kit. It tells us what belongs to the product and what doesn't. And the third one is the Firefly asset library. So in episode 3, we generated multiple asset library using Adobe Firefly. But now we need to turn those assets into usable libraries. So I'll organize them into 3 groups: backgrounds, UI components, and graphic elements. So this is where Firefly becomes more than an image generator. It becomes a visual system builder. You're not just generating one nice images, you're building a reusable visual language around the product. Next, we will add a launch carousel. The carousel is important because it turns a product into a story. A product screen alone does not explain the value, but the carousel can guide the viewer through the problem, the product, the feature, the benefit, and the call to action. For Flow Pilot, the carousel might start with a hook like, your team does not need another dashboard. It needs one place to think, plan, and execute, something like that. And finally, we end with a clear call to action. So inside the final kit, I'll save this carousel as both an editable Adobe Express file and exported images. This way, it can be reused for Instagram, LinkedIn, portfolio pages, or launch announcements. Next, we will add launch posters and announcement assets. These are the assets that make the product feel ready for the world. So a launch poster creates attention, a feature announcement explains what is new, and an Instagram story creates quick visibility. A LinkedIn promo helps communicate the launch professionally, and a website hero visual helps create a strong first impression on the landing page. The important thing here is consistency. Every asset should feel like it belongs to the same product, same typography direction, same visual mode, same graphic style, same product screen treatment, same headline style. And this is how a fictional product start feeling like a real startup brand. Now let's make this useful for designers. If you're a UI UX designer, this content kit can become a strong portfolio case study. But don't just upload random final visuals. Present it like a story. Start with the product context. Who is Flow Pilot? What is Flow Pilot? Who is it for? What problem does it solve? Then show the visual direction, explain the mood, style, and creative decision. Then show Firefly asset library. This shows how you created a visual system around the product. Then show the launch carousel. Then show your storytelling ability. Then show the launch system, posters, announcements, website hero, and social assets. Finally, show the complete content kit. This makes your case study feel more complete because you're not only showing interface design, you're showing product communication. And that is very valuable skill for modern designers. Now export the final kit properly. A professional content kit should include both editable files and final exports. So for editable files, keep your Adobe Express projects organized. For exports, create clear folders. For example, product brief, visual direction, Firefly assets, carousels, poster exports, social media exports, website hero exports, portfolio presentations, and the final PDF. Then use clear file names. Instead of writing final version 2, something like that, name your files like Flow Pilot launch posture, portrait, for Flow Pilot launch posture, landscape, something like that. These small details makes the kit easier to use, easier to share, and easier to understand with your team members. So before we call the kit complete, we need to do a final quality check. Ask yourself these 5 questions. Does everything feel consistent? Is the visual hierarchy clear? Are all exports in the right format? Can someone else reuse this kit without confusion? And the 5th one is, does this product now feel launch ready? If the answer is yes, then the kit is ready. But if something feels off, go back and adjust. Maybe one posture feels too different. Maybe one background is too loud. Maybe the carousel does not match the website hero, maybe the typography is inconsistent. So this final check is what turns good looking assets into professional system. So across this 6 episode series, we started with a simple idea. Great product often gets ignored when it is poorly presented. A strong UI screen is important, but the way you communicate that product matters just as much as it is. So with Adobe Firefly, we built the visual world around the product. We explored mood, art direction, backgrounds, textures, and supporting visuals. With Adobe Express, we turned that into a real communication assets like carousels, posters, feature announcements, social media graphics, website visuals, and finally, we created a complete content kit. This is the workflow I want you to remember. Define the product, build the visual system, create the asset library, design the story, extend the system, and package the final kit. This is how you move from product screens to launch ready content. So now your final assignment is to create your own product content kit. Pick the product you have been building from the episode 1. It can be any fictional SaaS product, a mobile app concept, a portfolio project, or even a startup idea. Then package everything into a clean kit. Your kit should include a product personality brief, a visual direction board, a Firefly asset library, a launch carousel, a launch poster, a feature announcement, a website hero visual, a portfolio presentation, and a final export folder. The goal is not to create more random design. The goal is to build a complete visual system around the product and package it in a way that feels ready for launch, ready for portfolio, or ready for presentation. And that is the end of the series. If you are a designer, use this workflow to make your portfolio projects feel more complete and professional. If you are working in startup, use this workflow to help them communicate their product better. And if you are building your own product, use this workflow to create your own launch ready content without needing a huge creative team. Thank you for watching this series, and thank you again for Adobe for supporting this course. If you find this helpful, subscribe to the channel, share this with a designer friend, and start building your own launch ready content. I'll see you in the next video.